So as soon as you walk in, that's the main door from the front, and you have the full body mirror, and then you have the carpet all the way through the room. And then my husband is sitting right there, but this is our room right now. We have the couch, and I believe that can be a bed one. And then we have the desk, computer desk, working desk, and you have some switch right there. And my husband have to change his jeans into shorts because it's really hot here, and we're still in Miami. But this is another mirror, and then you have the storage right here, drawers, and this one right here is the small fridge. Let's see, my husband actually put our drinks already. As you can see, we have Coke and just 2 water. This one, I brought it with me, that way I can get drinks to go later on. And then you just have all the drawers, and then we have the blow dryer. And this is the bed. I'm not sure if this is king or queen bed. Then it's quite small space. In front is the TV, and this is also like a storage. So the bed is just big enough for my husband and I. And then you have this cute nightstand on both sides. There's telephone there, and then you have the light on both sides, and that is what it looks like in the bed. And that one is the balcony behind there, and I'll show you in a minute the view from where the balcony. It would look like this. So I told my husband I was expecting a lot smaller than this room, and I'm happy with the size. It's actually not what I expected. I thought it would be a lot smaller than this. And then this is to your right. As soon as you walk in is your bathroom, and see, it's quite roomy. I mean, I've watched so many videos since this is our first cruise. I watched so many videos, and they're all talking about how small. I mean, it's small, but I guess I'm more expecting a lot smaller, so I'm happy. That's the toilet, and you have your shower. I haven't checked the shower pressure yet, if it's good. And you have the body and hair soap. And then you see, this is a lot better than the hotel we stay in. It's quite really good pressure. I am huge of fan of faucet or shower that's really good on pressure. Like, you know, you can wash your face or shower quicker. And then you have more storage. You can put your shampoo or skincare. I love that. And it's well lit, so it's really good. And then we have our towels right here. And so that's the shower. And then you only have this AC right here. And then this is the one drawer. I already put some of our stuff, and that's the other drawer. We have another one at the other side between on this couch right here. You see, they have the safe right here, more storage all the way down, and then you can hang more stuff there. Again, I'm not expecting that I get more storage than this, because I'm really expecting that it's not much storage at all. But yeah, I'm happy because it's his and hers, I mean, closet. It's really nice. So I'm happy how it turned out that they have more storage actually. So let me show you the balcony. This is our balcony right here, and this is really sealed. Each time you have to open it and you just pull it back. You got 2 chairs, and then this is the outside. It's quite a big size balcony for us because my husband upgraded for a bigger balcony. And I will show you the sunset view. First lunch, I guess it's already 1:36 in the afternoon, Miami time. and we have our 2 carry-on with us, so we're waiting for our 2 big luggage. And then I'm surprised that they actually says like call 911, so I didn't know that the boat have a 911. I was more thinking they have more like different number for emergency, but yeah, that's kind of nice. Anyway, let's go get some lunch. So the sun is setting now and the moon is right there. You see it? Right there.
Coming back, you'll see the sunrise.
Mira, Vicky, how pretty the sunset. Miren, guys, come here, come me. Mira, the sun is shining.